customized database table, front end related screens. Okay, front end related screens. Everything I can start here. But before going to the screen, let me start with the what are the concepts under SAP ABAP. I have written yesterday technical modules and functional modules, and some are techno-functional modules are there. We are under technical side. Okay, technical module. Technical. Under technical ABAP. Okay, ABAP means I told you advanced business application.
Sir, actually we are not able to see your screen.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, I did not share. sorry. Okay, check now.
We can see.
Yeah, I think I know. Technical means ABAP module, advanced business application programming interface. In this total, in ABAP, we have different levels of programs are there. Like we can call database tables. This is very important topic because without database table there is no SAP. Okay, without database table there is no SAP, there is no ABAP or any module. Database in any ERP database tables are main common. Okay, under database tables also there are different types of database tables are there. Okay, means how to primary database table, primary key database tables. These concepts we will work all in next coming sessions one by one. Then how to link this primary key database table. How to link this primary key to the second means another table we can call foreign key database table. How to link that one? What is standard table? Why SAP delivered? Okay. Next, how to link two tables? Link database tables. We are calling join, not link. How to join the database table? Join tables. We can join different ways. Inner join we can use it here mostly. Inner join, and one more concept called for all entries. This join now it will be for all entries in coding level it will come. Here inner join is screen level. How to join the tables? So what is the need of joins? Means if you want to join like a customer table and sales table, or employee table and employee salary related database tables. So if you have multiple database tables, we can join by using join tables. This is what is domain, what is data element, what is domain. Domain search helps and structures. Next, data type groups. These all concepts under basic ABAP dictionary we can call. Okay, these all concepts are calling database table, but is related to concept name is called ABAP dictionary. This is one specific concept for in SAP, basic related. These all are under screen level. There is no need to use any code here. Okay, just only let me start the server. These all concepts we never write single line. We will use directly code. SC11 we will use directly. In this SC11 only graphical representation wise means if you want to create any domain, okay, you can select the domain name, any name. You can click create button. What is a domain? Why you are creating domain? What is the purpose of domain? Okay, like that we will create it as screen based concepts we can use it. Okay, like I am going to use characteristics. Employee number is characteristics. Okay, I am going to use this length is 4. Then domain is created. Okay, domain is created. Okay, this is active. So now where I used here, this is under domain under the ABAP dictionary. That these all are I have written like this. Okay, domain, data element. These all are like screen based. Okay, this screen based. Okay, next this week, next week, full next week, we will work on ABAP dictionary related concepts only. Whatever concepts are there in database table, primary key table, foreign key table, views, four types of views are there. Okay, like database view, projection view, maintenance view, help view, all I will discuss. Each one at least a minimum. For database view, I will explain one. For you, at least 2 or 3 examples I will give. Like that, one example compulsory I will explain here. And like that, data type, separate data type. What is the use of structure? What is the use of data element? What is the use of data table type? Each and are screen based. Okay, we will start here first once if you understand this particular concepts, then we will start okay, next level of program that we can call basic ABAP program. These are all the concepts under ABAP that I am writing for your understanding purpose. What type of program you will learn it. This is a basic ABAP reporting. Okay, reporting syntax. Okay, syntax. In this, okay, what are the types of internal tables? Types of internal tables. How to write each type of, okay, how to declare the program, how to declare the program. Okay, what is loops? Okay, what is write syntax? Okay, what exactly the meaning of write syntax? What exactly loop and end loops? Okay, end loops. Next, okay, how to print the header details, header printing, then how to reuse programs. Means you already declared some programs in ABAP level, ABAP programming. Same program you want to reuse it. That reuse, we have different levels are there. Include is one program, subroutine is one program, subroutine is one program. Okay, messages is one program, function model is one program. The function model. So these are all the different content under basic ABAP level of the program, basic syntax program. Okay, these all okay, we will learn in this. Once if you are strong in this level, it is easy to learn any type of code in ABAP. Any type of code means any type of code means either screen-based programs or anything you can easily learn this one. This is all related to basic ABAP. In this only you will learn still so many concepts like selection screens. Also you will learn selection screens. Selection screens also, like where conditions you will learn. Where conditions you will learn. Then if and if condition. Okay, if and if syntax. If and if syntax. This all you will learn under this basic level. Once if you are okay good with this particular programming, we will start with I'll start with another program that we can call screen level program. That is a screen based program. Screen program are okay like this our own. Okay, let me show that our own T code means this Z table. Z table is nothing but my own table. So Z table, if I enter here starting letter. What is the starting letter here? Z is a starting letter. Here if you enter Z table, it will show here like this program. This is designed by me. This is customized code. This is customized code. If I enter my customer data here, the same customer related documents will be displayed in the table format. Okay, table format. If I click display, all documents it will be displayed from the database. How to design your own screen in SAP? That concepts we are calling means how to design your own input screen, how to design your own output screen, how to like design the display button, how to design the exit buttons, how to use okay this type of codes. This all we will work under basic screen programs. That screen programs only we have different names are there. Module pool program. Okay, module pool program. Same module pool program we are calling transaction codes. Same name we can call another name called dialog program. These names we have dialog program. All are same names, same programs only. It means nothing but how to design the push buttons, how to design the text elements, how to design the tables, how to design the tab strip control, how to design the subscreens. These all we will learn under basic level. So it is not basic level, this is advanced level. Means this is only basic up to this point only. Once if we are strong from these concepts, these all the concepts, all basics will be covered with this. Okay, then this is next level. This is second level of the program. Okay, first level this is all. Then this is second level of that. From second level, separate programs are there. These are all separate programs. Screen designing is one separate program. Okay, next, and then data loading is one program. Data loading means integration, we can call data loading. Data loading is one important. That data loading we are calling BDC, batch data conversion. Means how to convert the data from non-SAP to SAP. See, this is the one concept name BDC. Under BDC we have different methods are there. Call transaction method, the session method, like LS and W, like that. There's different methods are there. Okay, recording method. All the methods. Okay, for each one, one example I will give in the scenario. Okay, we will work out all these concepts. That is, we can call BDC. Okay, BDC. This concept name is batch data conversion. After BDC, once again I will start with advanced reporting. Advanced reports. Under advanced reports, very important reports are there. Okay, ALV reports is very important, and remaining reporting tools are the three reporting tools like classical reports. Okay, interactive report, then SAP query. These are all the ABAP query. Okay, these are all the reporting tools. We have the four types are there. Under four types, okay, each one I will give one example, one or two examples for your practice. Okay, live example, same. Okay, whatever reports they are using in okay industry, same reports only we can work out by using our database table, standard or customized. But most of the times you can use standard in real time. Okay, customized based on your requirement. Based on your client requirement. After reports, after completion of these reports, that is we are calling forms. Okay, forms are nothing but smart forms. Forms are means like we have another name called script, SCRI, scripts. The script is outdated, but still only T code in interview purpose. This all you need. So we are using a smart form only now. Smart form is nothing but like a offer letter design. Okay, offer letter design, purchase order design, invoice design. All these type of concepts you will learn under smart form. Okay, this is another separate concept. Okay, forms design we can call. After forms design, okay, this is integration related things we will start. Okay, integration related things like okay, enhancements. Okay, you can call enhancements. Okay, under enhancement we have user exit is one concept. Okay, user exit is one concept. Okay, this is a separate program. Okay, user exit, but now we are not using user exit. We are using advanced level. That advanced level concept name is okay, baddie, business addings. How to define baddies? Okay, under baddies, a very important concept for user exit. Advanced concept is baddies. This also I will give one example. This also I will give one examples. Baddies also. These are all one. Okay, these are all one class is enough. But these are all separate. Okay, for how many programs are there for each one? Okay, we need one class minimum. Okay, it depends upon the program size. Means how many lines we will write it. It depends upon that. Sometimes ALV report only it will take minimum 2 days. Okay, classical report is one class is enough. Interactive report is one class. SAP query and interactive report is in one class. Like that. It's Means how we will learn those particular concepts. I will take it those many sessions. Bad is business addings. After business addings, then server to server integration. Okay, how to use ABAP server. Okay, and another SAP server. Okay, this is transferring by using ALE IDOC integration. That is means transferring from one server to SAP server to another SAP server. This is also SAP. This is also SAP server. This is also SAP server. Okay, to transfer this data from ALE IDOC through ALE IDOC. ALE means application link enabling. IDOC means intermediate document. Okay, we can do this by using this one. But here we have one more concept is there. This BDC. The BDC also transferring data to SAP only. But this is non-SAP server to SAP. Meaning we can use here another concept is BDC. That BDC, the purpose of BDC is non-SAP system too. Okay, non-SAP system too we can transfer. That is we can call BDC. Okay, this is we can call BDC. Non-SAP system to SAP if you are transferring. Okay, non-SAP. Non-SAP means what is non-SAP? Like files, text files, text files, Excel sheets, Excel sheets. These are all non-SAP related. Means you have bulk data in your desktop. Okay, using that bulk data. Okay, using like that bulk data. How to send this type of data to SAP system? Means if you want to upload at a time all the data like 10,000 records or 50,000 records or 70,000 records. If you want to upload to SAP, we can use this non-SAP system. That non-SAP system we are calling. Okay, this is that name we are calling BDC, batch data conversion. Okay, batch data. Same concept we are using. The same concept. That is okay. Okay, this is we are calling BDC. Okay, this is we are calling BDC. Okay, this is we are calling ALE IDOC. ALE IDOC is nothing but a SAP server to SAP server. We can integrate it. That concept we are calling SAP. Even non-SAP like Oracle system to SAP also you can do it. Oracle system, some other third-party systems, SQL server to Oracle to we can convert. Then SQL server to we can convert it. Any server you can convert it. For that we need some settings, specific settings we need. Those settings done by basis team, that connection. But remaining procedures we can do it as a developer. These concepts also at least how to transfer the material data from one server to another SAP server. These concepts I will discuss. After that, excuse me. After completion of this one, BAP is the last program. Okay. In this BAP, in this ILE IDOC only, we have another concept name called RFC. RFC means that concept name is remote function connection. Remote function connection. These all concepts. Excuse me. Okay, remote function connection. Okay, this all I can discuss in this total ABAP. Okay, if you want to understand these concepts, this advanced concept, like from here onwards, these are the second level of the program. If you are strong in basic level, it is easy to understand this level. Okay, here you are understanding what is loop, what is declaration. Okay, this is declaration actually. Some spelling mistakes are there. Okay, consider that. Okay, declaration of the program. How to declare the program? How to declare the loops? Okay, how loop? Another concept is debugging. Okay, means how you are going to understand your programming. That is debug. Okay, what is the debugging? Okay, how system is running from line by line. Okay, which functions keys, which function F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F5, F6, F7. What are the use of the function keys? This all you will learn in this debugging. Okay, debugging. Debugging is means understanding line by line SAP program in application level. If something program is error here, some program is error here. Like example, now I'm going to run one payroll program. PC00 underscore M40 underscore CEDT. Okay, this is very big program. Okay, very big program. Okay, let me. This is some issue with Lacan. Okay. Okay, if I enter here T code name, this T code name, like example, this customized only can take it on. Here, if I enter here, if I execute here from particular, this output is not coming. This output is not coming. Some issue is coming. Means to rectify that issue, we can debug it in application level. Okay, how to do that application? So now let me enter here /h. If I enter /h, it will be in debugging mode. Debugging mode. If I execute here supporting project, we can do like this. Okay, how to debugger. See here, we are under application level. In this application level, what are the programs are there? How this cursor is moving from one line to other line? Where is your cursor? What is the use of this cursor? Why we are going to run okay, F5 button? What is the need of F6 button? What is the need of F7 button? What is the need of F8 button? How to execute directly? These type of all syntax related debugging and function related debugging, everything you will learn under this concepts. If you know only debugging, it is easy to survive in support. Only debugging point. But for that debugging, if you want to debug, first you have to know some declaration related things. Means how to declare, where they declare, how this system is calling, what is the use of function model, what is the use of subroutine, what is the use of message, how message is displaying, okay, how programs are working. If you are coding is, if you are good in coding, then debugging, if you know, then support project it is easy. Then coming to implementation related projects, they will give you okay, requirement, okay, like screen requirement, program requirement, tables requirement. Okay, based on that, we will okay, that we can call functional specification. Using functional specification, we can create this type of programs. That what is implementation, what is support, what type of objects you will get it. Those okay, I will discuss later. Okay, first we will concentrate on this type of okay, concepts. Those are all basic related okay, concepts. I am going to start that concept only you can call ABAP dictionary. Under SAP, these are all the different levels of programs are there. First one is database tables or ABAP dictionary. Okay, second level of the program is ABAP reporting syntaxes. Okay, under syntaxes, all you will learn what is print, what is how to print the data, how to loop the data, all you will learn in this way. After that, second level we will start with okay, what is screen programming, what is data, what is uploading, so what are the advanced reports are there, what are the forms we are going to design, which type of enhancements are there, what is ALE, IDACO, BAPI. These are all the second level of the program. Okay, second level. Advanced means in this means if you are like going to show some experience, then if you are very good with the basics, okay, basics up to this point, okay, basics plus this reporting tool, this reporting tool, this form, baddies, ALE, IDACO for experienced people. If you are very stronger, then you will get many calls. You will get many calls. For fresher, okay, you have to know all the fresher level job. You have to know all concepts. Why? Because they may expect from any one of this concept. For experience level, okay, if you are very good with this reporting, BDC, even BDC also, okay, and form, body, ALE. Okay, yeah. Even BDC is okay. BDC compulsory they will ask, but this at least this level of program, okay. Alien. BAP is not required, screen programming is not required, means you can show only this type of programs in experience level. Otherwise, still if this also if it is not possible, show in ALE experience and show it in ALE reports and then forms. That's enough. 3 concepts plus basic, then you will get calls. It depends upon how you in your resume what type of concepts you are going to show that one. Okay, based on that you will get calls. Okay, you will get calls. Okay, but we will cover. Okay, I will cover in this classroom all each and every example. Okay, one example I will be completed. Another examples I can give you practice. Okay, I will give you practice. This is about the like content we can call or concepts we can call. These concepts we are going to learn in this total ABAP course. Okay, ABAP course. Okay, now. Okay, now. Any doubt here? Just only this is just only content. Okay, you cannot means maybe these are all new to you. Okay, later also you can understand clearly, but these concepts. Okay, I will discuss under this. Now today I am going to start with the front end screen. Okay, that front end screen we are calling SAP logon screen. Okay, logon screen. Okay, let me start with the logon screen. Satish, is it okay? This is just only content related. Now I am going to start. Okay, yeah, I am going to start now. Front end, how to log on, what is the client, what is the username, everything I will discuss now. Okay, so after installation of your system, after installing SAP product in your system is different, my system is different. My system is just I am just paying the month wise amount for this candidates. That's why they provided only IP address for me. Okay, some IP address for me. That's why I can use this SAP system. But in your system, in your environment, in your physical environment, you have to start first SAP server. Okay, under VM. Okay, you have to start SAP server. You have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes to after starting server. Why means all services should be updated, then only. Okay, what is meaning of services means, let me show. That is SM50 is the T code, work process we can call. This type of work process it will run in your system server. Okay, almost 28 work processes, but for you in your system 17 work process also it will be there, because this is a online system. That's why they installed another dialog work process. So many dialog work process they included, but your system it may vary the processors. Okay, 17 maximum I think for our systems. 17. It depends upon the size. Depends upon these type of dialog processors and background processors will be running in your system. Okay, first you have to start. You have to update your system. You have to update. Okay, to update that processors, it will take 10 to 15 minutes, 10 minutes minimum it will take. You have to wait for that. After starting this SAP, system, okay, just you have to go to logon. In this logon, we have the IP address details. Okay, you have the IP address related information. Okay, not only this one. I think this is okay. This is only. Okay, IP address. This IP address he will configure. Okay, he only configure. No need to worry about this IP related. This is they will configure. Then after configuration, you will get like in your system. In your system, you will get this type of one screen. Okay, there you will get like either SAP, either ABAP, either any name. Okay, any name, technical name or functional name or SAP ABAP or SAP. Okay, ABAP. Okay, those names. Okay, they will configure like that. Okay, they will configure like that. They'll keep it here. You have to double click this particular logon system. Okay, double click on logon. Once if you double click here, okay, once if you double click here, these are all the my systems. Different systems are here. Logon. Under logon, we have the client is there. This is a client. Okay, this client is nothing but a group of user IDs. Okay, different user ID for one project. Okay, we have the different client numbers. Means different client. Under client, we have the different users. Like example, last class also I have written. I think development client is 100. Okay, quality client is 110. Production client is 300. It depends upon this type of clients. And sandbox client means you will get a total 4 clients. Okay, 4 clients, different clients, and sandbox client. Okay, sandbox client. Okay, it is maybe anything either 700 or 800. Okay, any client number. This client is having all we have access. Okay, we have access. Means if they provide Okay, development client and okay, all for each client separate username, separate user, separate password. Okay, each client separate username, separate. As a developer, as a implementation work, okay, means we have to start as implementer. You have to start from this client. Then you have to test here as a quality. Okay, testing. Okay, testing. How to do the testing? Then that after completion of this testing, we will release that product to production. That concept we can call transportation. From this is also transportation. Development to quality, transportation. Quality to production, that is also transportation. Okay, these concepts also I did not write there. Okay, this is also where is text file. Okay, transportation. Okay, even in a basic level or somewhere I will discuss concept name is transportation. Transportation or transport, or we can call another name called TMC, transport management system, TMS, or we can call client transport systems. We have different names are there. Okay. All this transportation you will learn in this course, ABAP course. Under that, what is request? Okay, what is request? What is package? What is package? These all concepts you will learn in this okay basic level only. Basic level only. Now what I supposed to explain here? Here development client is one ID, quality client is one ID, production client is one ID. That ID is we have to check here. Okay, that which one is there. But here we are using this one. Okay, latest one only. Okay, EHP 7, that ECC 6.0. Okay, yesterday I told you. Okay, with including either 6 or 7, any project you can show. Okay, but it depends upon your okay 2 years or 3 years experience. Okay, now we are for this client they created one ID, that ID user ID, that user ID I am calling ABAP 051, somebody is created. Okay, administrator shared to me this username and password. Okay, this is every month we can change this password, but here they won't change password every month. Okay, for me, okay, this is fixed password, but in industry it will populate automatically. If 1 month is over, then automatically you have to change that password. But here my password also same as it is. Okay, double enter. This is a default language. English is a default language in SAP. Like that, we have the 41 languages we have. Okay, we can log in 41 language. This all patch-ups done by basis consultant. You never work with a patch like patch means like Germany language, Spanish language, those are all. Okay. But we will log in even Germany also. Just you have to change this log on. Let me show that is also. First English version. This is English version. You can see. This is in English version. Now, if I log in once again with the same login, I close that one. I'm going to log on with the same username, but this time is Germany. Okay, Germany login. Here D is nothing but Germany. Then if I click here, continue, you can see here. You cannot understand even okay, single word here. Okay, single word you can see here. Okay, C Conan, Midwestern. Okay, different naming conventions. Okay, these are all Germany. Okay, it look like English only, but we cannot pronounce it. Okay, we cannot pronounce it. So copyright only is English. This is only English here. This is also say all rights are reserved. Okay, Ali Ritchie, Warburton, okay, Lennon. These are all the okay according to the Germany. But screen also look like all the input related things also in Germany. Okay, this is bureau. Bureau is nothing but office. OFFICE. Okay, like HR means human resources means personal. Okay, like personal management means personal administrations like that. Okay, different naming conventions are there here. Okay, these are all Germany. Means once if you enter even in like personal administration also if you open, okay, open here we have T codes are same. Even if it is Germany, here PA40 if you enter, okay, the T code will be same. The transaction code never change either in Germany, either in US or UK, all are only the naming convention. If it is Spanish, Spanish code will appear. If it is Arabic related code will appear. Just that's it. Conversion automatically it will appear. That is okay? That concept only can go. Means it depends upon your client. See, I entered PA40 either in English version, either Germany version. Okay, PA40 is a code. it displayed for that. Okay, actually this is a personal actions. Actually this is a personal actions here, personal something. But here same in English version, if I open English version, personal action will come, but this is not okay. We cannot log in at a time parallelly to okay, we have the okay. If I log in that one, if I log in the English version, okay, SAP 1155. Okay, it's total 41 languages we have. All 41 languages related. Okay, so here the same for PA40. I will log in here. Same PA40. If I log in, then here it will show the different here. Same options. So personal actions is here. Okay, that is a different name. Hiring, change of position, termination, leave. Okay, these all options are here. Okay, how to use this particular okay, like this is user level. This is once again user level. So this is not our part. This is configuration is not our part. Just explaining okay, what exactly how to log in, either either Germany language, either Spanish language, either French, China, Japanese. Okay, any type of language around 41 they created. Your work is okay, your work is okay, in English version only. Okay, our work is in English version. Now coming to okay, this is just log on. Just we entered log on screen, and this is about the front end. This is just a front end screen. In this front end screen, they divided a different okay, like a menu, different bars. Okay, different bar. This is also why we need this bar information means sometimes you will get errors. Okay, which where there is that error. Okay, which button you have to click it, that you have to ask like in WhatsApp or somewhere. For that you have to know what is bar name, is where is that cancel bar. This is like what is the use of the title bar, what is the use of application toolbar. If you know these bars then you can easily ask the doubts. Okay, or in your project level also, okay, you can easily clarify that if you know that bar names. Okay, that's what I am giving this bar name. Okay, this is a front end screen. Let me copy this same screen, print screen. Just I am copying the print screen. I am going to paste here in this screen only. In this screen only. Okay, let's see. This is a SAP screen. Okay, just I pasted here. This is I am calling menu bar. Okay, menu bar. This is I am calling. Okay, this is I am calling. Okay, box. Okay, this is we are calling. Okay, menu bar. This is we can call command field. Command field is to enter the transaction code. Command field is to enter the transaction code. Menu bar is it's almost the same like menu names, like a create button, like okay, some buttons also will be included in that menu related. But menu bar, which we can use it very less in okay, our coding level, it is used by functional people more. Okay, menu related things. The menu bar. Menu. Next, same way, here we have the one okay, one separate bar is here. Here after command field, here we have this bar we are calling. Okay, this is standard toolbar. This is we are calling this standard okay, toolbar. What is exactly standard toolbar means? Standard toolbar contains a back button, save button, exit buttons, cancel button, printing button, search helps, plus finding, okay, like up and downs, okay, up and downs. This is we can call a new session. Okay, means if you want to open the new session, you can open the new session. Okay, these all types of help. These all types of are there in the standard toolbar, which we will use frequently. The standard toolbar. The standard toolbar. Standard toolbar contains back, cancel, help, print. All these options are there. This is we can call new sessions. This button is which we can use frequently. That is new session. New session on the standard toolbar only. That is next. This is this bar we are calling title bar. The title bar. This is a title bar means like here now SAP easy access is there. Easy access is there. Now let's see if I go to the SAP here. If I enter PA40, you can see here what is the name, what is the title, personal actions. If I enter SC11, what is the T code, ABAP dictionary. If I enter like PA30, HR master data. HR master data. Like it depends upon the code. It depends upon the code. Title will be changed. Okay, title will be changed. That is we can call title bar. Okay, title bar. Okay, title bar. Each transaction we have the each transaction code we have the one name. That name will come. Okay, the name. Next. Next, this is we can call application toolbar. This is we can call. Okay, this is okay. Application toolbar. Okay, application toolbar. This application toolbar means like create options, change option, display options, copy. It means according to the application. Application means here T code. Okay, on code if you enter this code related information, code related some activation related, delete related options they included in about it. It will vary according to the code. This application related bar it will be vary. Sometimes we have the copy option, sometimes we have delete option, sometimes we have checking options, error checking, activations, all are under application toolbar. Okay, application toolbar. This is next. The remaining all this screen, total full screen. This is just for work area. Means we can easily work with all the screens that we can call work area. After this one, where is the screen? Okay, let me go down. Here we have the down. We have it is not there. I think. Okay, down. Okay, let me show here. Here we have down is down message bar. That is means if you enter any wrong message like wrong T code, then immediately it will show down one message. Okay, one message. This bar we are calling message bar. Okay, this bar we are calling. Here it displayed here. Once if you click here, it will show that performance assistance like that. It will show that. Okay, this is about the just okay message bar. Like that we have menu bar, standard toolbar, command field, transaction title, transaction title or title bar. This is application toolbar. This is work area. Work area means like if you enter here SC11, that SC11 related screen it will show. If it is SC12 related it will show. Okay, this is about that. This is here. Now I entered here one SC11. Here one option it is there back. Under standard toolbar this is a back button. Or you can press your own F3 button. In keyboard you can press the F3 button. Okay, like this. Next, what is title bar, then application toolbar, then message bar. This is about the just a front end screen. Okay, front end screen. Now I am going to introduce here some shortcut keywords. Okay, shortcut keywords. Here, if you observe now here, let me close this screen. If you observe here this option under standard toolbar, you have one option is here. Okay, one option is here. This option we can call new session. You can see here. You can create new session. Means this is only one session. If I open the another session, I can work parallelly with multiple sessions. This is SC11. I can work with here SC11 like this. And if I want to work with your report, okay, SE38, like that parallelly we can work with different sessions. That is maximum, okay, maximum number of sessions. 6 sessions I can open here. 3, 4, okay, 5, 6. Okay, 6. These are all basic only, but if you know that one, all this one, all, okay, it is easy to navigate SAP. That's what I am giving. Okay, it is easy. You can easy. Everyone can learn this all navigation. But that's what I'm giving those points first, introduction related things, SAP introduction. Then once in okay, program started, these all keyword if you use it like back button, cancel button, okay, how to open multiple screens, how to cancel the screens, how to stop the transactions, if you get any error, how to stop the transaction. If you know that one, it is easy to navigate and easy to work with SAP. Okay, that's why I am giving these points all. Okay, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 6 are opened. If I click here one more, it will show one. Okay, this is also one small entry question, like written test related things. What are the number of sessions? SAP certified questions. What are the number of sessions it will open in SAP? Means maximum number of sessions are 6 sessions we can open. 6 sessions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is log on. This is log on screen. Now if you close it, that is over. Okay, that is about this one. Now okay, I am giving another okay important related. Here this is we are calling here this button. Okay, let me open here SE38. This is we are calling okay all shortcut I am giving. Okay, okay, F3 is nothing but a back button. F3 is nothing but a back button. In SAP, okay, we'll use 99% of the time F3 is back. F1 is nothing but a documentation. Okay, F1. If you want to read any document about like program, if you press F1, it will pop up that particular okay assistant, perform assistance. Wherever you want, you can press F that one. Okay, just a text element you want, press F1. Text element related it will show. Okay, like that. Okay, wherever you want. Documentation I want, documentation F1. Okay, like that. It means this is we can call F1 is nothing but a documentation. Next, F4. Okay, F4. F4 means help. Like I don't know my program, previous programs. If my program is there or not, I can check it here. Z tab if I enter. If I put star and if I press F4 or browse, directly that same programs only, whatever Z tab related all programs it will show. We can browse it easily. Okay, we can browse it easily. Okay, these are all nothing but searching. Like sometimes you will forget your names, program names. There no need to remember each and every program. Okay, okay, to find out your program name, just first two letters or first one single letter if you know, just enter that letter and star. It will pop up all the values. Okay, all the values. That is you can call F4. Okay, F4. F4 is nothing but like it is a like a find. Okay, it is a find options. Next, F5 is nothing but a create option like this. Create is F5. Instead of this one, let's see. Now if I enter some other data, now if I click press keyboard press F5, immediately it will pop up. That is F5. Okay, F5. F5 means create. F6 is means like a change. Okay, keyboard change. Keyboard F6. Okay, F6 is nothing but a change button. Yes, F6. Actually, this is documentation is selected. That's why it has gone directly. If it is source code only you can see F6. See here, F6. Nobody has written here, maybe. Okay, now F6 is done. Now F7. Okay, now F7. F7 means like a display. Okay, F7 is nothing but a display. Okay, we can use this frequently because shortcut keywords we can use this three. F7 is display. Next, okay, next. Cancel F12. Cancel F12. F6. F7. F8. F8 is execute buttons. Most of the times you can use execute is F8 only. Okay, in ABAP. It will vary screen to screen. Some screens it will vary, but okay, very rare programs it will vary, but the remaining all programs is compulsory. Next, checking errors. Okay, checking control plus F2. Control plus F2 is checking errors. Control plus F2. Next, Control plus F3. Next, activation. Control plus F3. Activation. Okay, this is activation. This is checking button. This is activation. Okay, activation. Copy is not required. Copy we will use very less only. Copy button. Control plus F5. Directly you can no need to remember the shortcut each and everything. And if you want, you can write down copy. Control plus F5. Then, okay, if here now, excuse me. Now I'm in this screen. I'm in this screen. If I click create button or change button, now I am okay in this screen. In this screen means if I click here /n, directly I will jump to front end screen, home screen. Let's see /n. What will happen? /n means directly it will jump from any screen to front end screen, SAP easy access screen. That we can call /n. /n means it will move to SAP easy access screen. Okay, it is easy access screen. Next, here we have the let me close. Okay, one session is here. Now if I want to open one more session, you can do by using this new session, or otherwise you can use by using /o. Then enter. It will ask, do you want to generate or do you want to end? End means it will close. If you generate, it will use it. It will generate one more session. Means this is for to open the SAP screen /o and to close the SAP screen. Both we can use it. Okay, both we can use it. That is the use of the /o. Or if you enter /o followed by your T code, transaction code, okay, directly it will open. Okay, one more session it will open with the T code name also. /o followed by T code. If you use it, then directly we can open. Okay, directly we can open the transaction code. Any T code you can open. Then any doubt here, Satish or okay. Amit, Praveen.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
No.
Now, okay. Now /n ex. Okay, yeah. /n ex is nothing but closing all sessions. Like closing all sessions. Here I close all the sessions. Means if you open all 6 sessions, you can you can close all 6 sessions by using this single okay, step. By using this single step. Okay, SAP 1. Okay, these are all. Sometimes we will get runtime error. Okay, while doing this type of programs. Okay, program won't activate like this. It will say running symbol. It will show okay, round symbol. Okay, that time if you want to stop in the middle of the application, if you want to stop the SAP application, you can click here we have an option is there. See, like a top menu bar. Under that you have the stop transaction is there. Stop transaction means if it is like running symbol, if it is showing SAP long time, okay, it won't show immediate output. Okay, that time you can just cancel the session. Okay, then after that it will come to automatically. It will come to main screen. Okay, main screen. That is about the stop. Okay, stop session. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, these are all the shortcut keywords which we can use frequently in SAP. Okay, this is about that. So this is more than enough for this particular keywords. By using these keywords, we can do it. Okay. In this today class, just I started with what are the key concepts we are going to discuss. Now, next class, Monday class, because I am waiting for one more student. That's what I am not going to start today ABAP related tables. Okay, next class, first what is database table. What is database table? Okay, what are the codes under database table itself? We have different codes are there. What is SE11, SE12, SE13, SE14, okay, SE16, okay, SE16. What are the use of this SE16? SE, okay, 16N, okay, SM30, SM30, SE55. All the transaction codes I can give you for these are all related to only ABAP dictionary. These all T codes are related to ABAP dictionary. What is the use of one T code? I will give you a descriptions. Okay, I will give you a descriptions. We'll start that day, okay, with what is SE11, how to and the standard tables and standard database table, how to see the tables, how to display the tables, what is the use of those tables. Is it standard? How you can find out? Is it if it is customized? How you can find out? This all like basic ABAP related dictionary related tables. Okay, I'm going to explain on Monday. Okay, Monday class. Okay, tomorrow no need. We will plan if still if you want next week onwards you can plan it. Otherwise first we can go first week or 2 weeks. You can go like Monday to Friday only. Still okay. Any if one class is missed, then we can take it Saturday long hours also. No problem. For me no issue. That first week still you are new to the SAP and I'm expecting one more okay candidate. Okay, that's what I'm going little bit slowly only. Then the same concept wise I will go like this one, okay, step by step I will explain. If you have any doubt in next class we will solve those issues. Still technically I did not start that concept. That's what I'm okay. Technically we will start from Monday onwards. That's what. Still if it is not installed in your system, be ready with the SAP. From Monday onwards examples will start. Okay, examples. Praveen, okay. Yes, Satish.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
Yeah.
okay, Monday we'll start with
Yes.
it's okay, simple examples. Okay, simple examples.
Yes.
Yeah. Next week you will get it some idea like what is table, what is primary, what is foreign key. By next Friday, you'll get it a full idea about SAP tables related informations all. Okay, joins everything. Yeah. I'll stop it today. Okay, I'll stop. Yeah. See you on Monday. Okay, see you on Monday.